Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to export videos in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you've finished editing your video in CapCut. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Export window will pop up. From here, you can rename your video and choose where it will be saved on your computer. You'll also have options to adjust settings like resolution, bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate. There's also an option called optical flow, which helps with smoother motion and is especially useful for slow motion clips, though you may not need it for every project. If you scroll down, you'll find additional settings for audio, GIF export, captions, and even a copyright check option. Now, before exporting, you can click on Edit Cover at the top to create a thumbnail. Here, use the slider to pick a frame from your video that you want to appear in your thumbnail. Then click Edit Cover. This opens a built-in editor, similar to Canva or Photoshop, where you can customize your thumbnail. On the left side, you'll find many options, like text tools, shapes, stickers, frames, templates, and more. Choose a template you like from these options. Then customize the text according to your need and remove anything unnecessary. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Now go ahead and click on Export. Your video will render, and both the video and thumbnail will be saved. After that, you can directly share your video to platforms like TikTok or YouTube, and CapCut will even generate a vertical version for TikTok automatically, which will save your time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export videos in CapCut. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.